Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up Wi-Fi on the HP SmartTank 581 printer. First, make sure the printer is awake. If the printer looks idle, press any button to wake it up. Now press and hold the information button, which has a small letter I on it. Hold this button for 5 seconds until the control panel lights turn on. Next, press and hold the wireless button, which looks like Wi-Fi waves, and the cancel button with the X on it at the same time. Keep holding both buttons for 5 seconds. When you see the Wi-Fi light start blinking blue, release the buttons. This blinking blue light means the printer is ready to connect to a new Wi-Fi network. Now move to your phone, tablet, or computer. Open the HP Smart app. On the main screen of the app, tap the plus sign or the option saying Add a new printer. When asked what you want to do, select Set up a new printer. Choose the HP SmartTank series from the list. The app will then show available Wi-Fi networks. Choose your home Wi-Fi network from the list. When prompted, carefully enter your Wi-Fi password. Make sure the password is typed correctly, including capital letters. Tap Continue and wait while the app sends the Wi-Fi details to the printer. After a short moment, the Wi-Fi light on the printer will stop blinking and stay solid, which means the connection is complete. Thanks for watching.